Yeah, you say it's fun. Yeah, it's fun for you guys sitting here. It ain't fun when you have to do it.
Oh yeah. I talk as a fan. We love seeing you guys squirm and shake the arm shake in the back.
You probably do because you like that bad stuff, don't you?
It's that feeling.
That's right. Okay, so what is he doing here? He's got okay. What is he? A 4-ball.
4-ball in.
Oh, he's got the solid.
Yeah, 4-ball in the corner.
What is he playing it off the 13? Oh, wow.
No way.
He did it. Oh, he hooked himself.
But that is a Chris Melling special right there.
Okay, he makes the 4, nudge the 13, make sure the 13 doesn't move.
That's incredible.
Okay, it stays on the line, so he was able to come over and I tell you what, it kind of looked, it was a little bit, fortunate there, but I'm going to tell you what, he was trying a lot of piece of that shot. It can be easy at times, and at times it just looks like a puzzle every time. Wow, look at that.
Oh, give that man a round of applause.
Now that's 2 shots for the ages there now. Bro.
This is insane.
Boy, I'll tell you what, he dug that ball. He's got one small chance he can pocket the 1 in the side. Very tough shot, but he does have a shot. Oh, okay, it's a pretty good idea. Well, you see what he's doing here. He's lagging the 6 in. Uh-oh, he got an angle. I mean, he got straight. Yeah, it's no good. Okay, I think he's just... Okay. Wow, I don't know what in the world this is. Where'd he call it at?
Corner. I believe it.
He called it where?
You got me. He called it into the, there in the corner. Come on.
He's trying to make this ball forward. It has to go in between all of the balls. That's a chance. Wow, what a shot. Oh, my gosh. I just can't. Oh, my God. That might be the best shot I've ever seen in my life.
That is all time from Chris Melling.
Oh, my gosh. And he made 2 shots. He made the first, the run out. He clipped the first ball, come over and kissed the 13, and made the 5, or whatever that ball was. Then, the next one, he had the long masse. Then he got it. Oh, man. That's
and look, even his opponent, Mika, Immonen, this is all or nothing here. This is the winners on to the final 16. The losers out without a paycheck. And even his opponent, Mika Immonen, is so impressed he came over and shook his hand.
Hey, we're going to watch a highlight reel here, okay? He clips this one. This is to start the rack. Dead hooks himself. Okay, here's the next one.
It's not going to come out.
Oh, my gosh. That was unbelievable right there. Okay, now here we go.
This is insane.
Oh, my gosh. That's unbelievable. I tell you what, I might kill myself if somebody made that on me.
How did he do that?
Oh my gosh, I still can't get over that. You might show that 50 more times. That'll be the highlight one tonight on Facebook.
What was that all about? That was sick. Tell us about it.
Well, I think I hit 3 of the greatest shots, I think.
Yeah, that rack was out of sight.
Well, I was in a bit of trouble. I wasn't sure what to do, and I knew if I didn't play kind of a safety and an attacking shot, I was in trouble. So I've called the ball. I have actually tried to make it, because I know I can make the 2-ball over the corner. And as soon as I've made it, I've left myself snookered, so I've had to swerve it, make that.
The swerve was insane.
And then obviously I've played the 4 railer. I mean, a lot of people, if you was playing a normal tournament, a lot of people would say that's lucky, but it's call shot. So I've called the pocket, and obviously it's going to take some beating for somebody to beat that.
Come on, I mean, how many times you think you try that 100 times? How many times you make that shot?
Probably about 99.
I like that. That's why we like watching you, Chris. You're so confident and daring.
No, it's probably a 1 in a 40 shot, something like that. But obviously at the time I had no option. I could hardly reach. I'm only 5'7", so I couldn't reach the ball over the pocket, and I was dead straight. So I thought the only option I've got, and I actually looked at 2 shots previous, because that ball didn't go in any pocket. So I thought the only pocket it will go in is that corner, and obviously that's where it went.
Well, I think, as you said just before you came on this interview, that doesn't sell the game. Nothing will. I think already this is an internet sensation, that shot. And I mean, I guess you're looking forward to going back and reviewing that one, aren't you?
Yeah, hopefully that'll put me sponsorship up a little bit now, having to play that. And obviously, I mean, there's so many great players who are playing, and a lot of them can play them shots, but obviously for it to happen at that moment in a match, it doesn't happen very often.
Okay, so we have two internet sensations now in pool. Naoki Oi with his crazy interviews, and Chris Melling with his shots from another universe. So congratulations on the shot and the victory.
Thank you very much.